In this video, I'll show you how I blow out my natural hair, high speed, cool air. I have already previously detangled my hair. I am going to use Carol's Daughter's Green Supreme Leave-In Tonic to keep my hair very well moisturized and to help with the blowout process. So of course, for everything there's a pro and a con. You guys know I do not use heat in my hair. So with this cool setting method, it's gonna stretch, but not by a long run. You're gonna get a lot of shrinkage and it's just not gonna be as stretched out. But since I'm doing this method to just install my box braids, I'm not really tripping. Now I'm going to use Miss Rachel's Citrus Hair Butter midway through this blowout session, and I need something definitely moisturizing that's going to stick. You already know shea butter. This stuff smells pretty good and it's just helping me with this process. So those are the only two products that I use, which was the leave-in conditioner and Mrs. Rachel's hair butter. Now I'm all blown out and I'm twisted. You guys already know, if you follow me, that I always do my 2-strand twist method to install my braids. I'm going to leave my DIY video here so that you guys can see how I do my methods. Did you enjoy this video? If so, give it a big thumbs up. That'll let me know that this video was in some way useful or helpful to you. Thank you all for watching.
Listen, last night my hubby took me to go see Acrimony, and I am going to also be doing a review on that movie. I mean, I am a wife, and I just wanted to give you guys my point of view about that damn movie. Oh, bitch.